Welcome back. Congratulations guys for creating this amazing application. We need to handle the click events on the items of this list view. To do that, we go to my custom adapter, and inside the getView method, we need to handle the click events. I'll use this view object that we created before to handle the click events. So view.set OnClickListener, and I'll use the lambda expression. And here I need to create a toast message telling the user the name of the planet that he clicks on. First parameter is the context. The second parameter is the message you clicked. I need to get planets. I'll pass position dot title. I'm getting from the planets the clicked position and getting the title of this planet. This will return the planet, the chosen planet, and from the chosen planet I need to get the title. The third parameter is the toast length. I'll keep it short. Don't miss to call show method. Let me run again. Click on Venus, and here we go. This is our toast. Click on Saturn, Jupiter, and here we go. It's working like a charm. So congratulations guys. In this way, we handle the click events on list view items.